So I'm just trying to take this thing out. This is a brake light switch that the AutoZone folks said was bad when they plugged in this Tundra to their diagnostic tool. And it's just a, I don't know if you can see this, but it's a counterclockwise twist, and then you pull it out, and there's the piece. There's actually another piece, which I'm trying to jimmy the camera here. Yeah. That also should come out. I don't know if I can do it with my hand here, but maybe I'll just leave it on there, because the new piece, which I will bring to the camera focus here now, it's this one here, so it looks really identical. So this button here, when you press the brake, interrupts the flow of the circuit, and that should fix the problem. I say should fix the problem, but I'm not really sure. We'll see. Alright, more to follow.